Today I'm making frozen s'mores. This treat has all the traditional flavors, graham crackers, chocolate, and marshmallow, but it comes from your freezer and not from a campfire. With only 7 ingredients, it's easy to make and fun to eat. The ingredients you're going to need for this great recipe is graham crackers, marshmallow fluff, a pinch of salt, cream cheese. Here's some of those s'mores right there. We've got whipped topping, whole milk, and Jell-O pudding mix. I have a 9 by 13 dish and I've cut parchment paper so that it goes over the sides. I've also sprayed the bottom of my dish so that it would adhere to the glass dish. I have my graham crackers, which I've cut in half based on how they come out of the box. And now I'm going to layer the bottom. This is going to be the bottom part of your s'mores. So they don't always break evenly, that's okay. That's not going to be noticed. And it's okay if there's some gaps. That's it. All right, we have our chocolate pudding. So it's just like making regular pudding. We're adding our chocolate milk. We're adding our milk. And then we're going to add our whipped topping. Now you're going to end up using a whole container of, an 8-ounce container of whipped topping. Let's get that all in there. All right.
I'd be happy to lick that for you, Bridgetta.
Okay. While you're enjoying that, I'm going to use my hand mixer. Okay, we're ready to put these on top of the graham crackers. And start putting some of the pudding down. Okay, now we're going to spread it out. Just try and keep control so the graham crackers don't move. Okay, I'm going to move my dish. It's really helpful to get it. Now don't worry about if your edges aren't even, because you can trim that away later. As soon as we're done doing this, we're going to let it chill for 30 minutes and then do our next step, which is like our marshmallow. All right, now we're going to make our top layer, which is like our marshmallow. So we're going to start with our cream cheese. It is softened. There we go. Oh, didn't get it all out. There we go. So we're going to be whipping this up. And here's our marshmallow fluff. So we're going to use most of this container, but not all of it. I can't believe marshmallow fluff's still around. Did you ever eat it, Mark?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, with peanut butter and jelly, or just peanut butter? I never really did.
My mom never bought it, but we had friends that...
Friends that had it?
Had really cool moms. And my mom was pretty cool.
But she wouldn't, yeah, because this really is just like whipped sugar.
Yeah, she knew better than to give us too much sugar.
Mm-hmm.
There were 8 of us, for God's sakes.
Yep. All right. That was probably a smart move. Okay, well, we better plug it in. Okay. We're going to have it start mixing. Here's our pinch of salt. So we're going to let that go for a few minutes. So we're just going to be folding this in. That's why I didn't need the beater anymore. We're just going to fold it in. And then we're just folding it over. So we're not whipping it, we're not beating it. All right, our chocolate layer has chilled for 30 minutes. Now we have our cream cheese layer. We're going to put that on. We're going to spread it just like we did in the beginning. Just gently put that on. Spread it around. Again, really comes in handy. Okay, again, we're spreading to the edge of the chocolate layer. Our final step is to put the other half of our graham crackers on top. Might have to adjust them a little bit. I've gotten the frozen s'mores out of the freezer. So I want to clarify, I said chill them, but I meant freeze them. So this whole dish went into the freezer. So now I'm taking it out, and this is where the parchment paper comes in. Okay, this is why you need the parchment paper overhang.
Oh my God, that was magic.
Okay, so now what I'm going to do is trim the edges off because we want clean edges. So you can see the layers right there. So it makes it look much better. Then we're going to trim right here. Okay. So we're cutting away. But no worries, we're still going to eat it. Just for presentation. So now if you wanted to, you could cut them again, make them into smaller pieces like that. I'm not going to do that. All right, now it's time to try the frozen s'mores.
And today's Jeopardy question is, what is a s'more that you don't make over a campfire that is cold?
And the answer is, or the question is,
What is a
frozen s'more.
what is a frozen s'more? That's correct, Jetta.
So that looks really good. Of course, it's all in the cutting, right? See if we can pick it up. So definitely soften it.
Two words. Ice cream sandwich.
It looks just like an ice cream sandwich. It does.
Tastes just like one, but it's not.
But it's not. And like I had said in the beginning, you could use the chocolate graham crackers. This would be so fun for a summer party, pool party, kid's birthday. Now I have it all over my mouth.
It's decadent.
It is decadent.
Mom, why didn't you ever make these when we were kids? My mom had these Tupperware popsicle stick makers. They were three pieces of plastic, and she would pour juice into it and then snap the top on, and that was our popsicles when we were kids.
Oh yeah, they probably still make them.
And when my mom would go visit her parents down in Philadelphia in the summer and leave her alone with my dad would send my brothers and sister and I to the grocery store and get the makings of our own delicious treats where he'd get ice cream.
Oh, okay.
And he'd get waffles, and we'd make Belgian waffles with
with ice cream?
with ice cream in the middle of them.
Wow.
It was so much fun, and we were sworn to secrecy. So sorry, Mom.
Too late now.
These are good, Bridgetta.
They are very good. Well, you could even probably put sprinkles or something on top like that,
They
but
don't need
it
a
doesn't
thing.
need it.
They're
but
amazing.
It'd be cool looking. Kids would like that. So don't forget the recipes in the description box, and also new videos come out every Sunday. I've got lots more delicious recipes coming up. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Good job. This is really cool. Where did you find this recipe?
On the internet where everything is.
I'll look at you and say 나를 봐봐 in my craze 조금 더 망설이지 마 Alright I don't want a best friend 너도 나와 같은 맘이야 Waiting to get there 나를 보며 웃어줘 때론 그리움이 우릴 서로 적겠지만 사랑한 그것만큼만 Keep it up, keep 어떤 말로 표현할 수 있을까 어떤 마음으로 널 전할 수 있을까 멀리 가진 않겠지만 우린 더 볼 수 있겠지만 사랑한 수많은 계절만큼만 One, two, three 꽤나 머뭇거렸었지 Take your time 아득하기만 했었지 Those were the days 빙글빙글 주위를 맴돌기만 했어 Oh, I don't wanna last dance 어쩌면